Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. So first, you need to open your Facebook app as you can see on your screen, and then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. And then right here, you'll find the gear icon, which is the settings. So tap on that at the top right corner. And then under the settings and privacy, scroll down until you find your information and then tap on download your information. And then right here, as you can see, your activity across your Facebook. Now I want you to deselect all of this, tap this deselect all, and just choose these messages. So messages you've exchanged with other people on Messenger. So tap this one and check this one. And then here, you just close this switch access setup guide. So close this one, tap on X, and then all you need to do is scroll down until the bottom. So as you can see, you will find the settings right here. So you can change the date range. For this, I will put on all of my data, and then HTML and set this hide. And once you've done, create file. And then here you will find a copy of your information is being created. So just wait until you get that information and you will get all the history on your message on Messenger. So that's it. That's how you basically recover your deleted messages in Messenger. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like to this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.